This program will demonstrate the procedure necessary to attach and align a vise to a milling machine table using a dial indicator to an accuracy of plus or minus 1/1000th of an inch. The materials necessary for this procedure are the Bridgeport vertical milling machine, the milling machine vise, the universal indicator set, a single cut mill file, a clean shop towel, a set of hold down bolts, a suitable wrench to adjust the hold down bolt, a soft faced hammer. The procedure will begin by the inspection of the milling machine table. The milling machine table must be clean and free from dirt, nicks, and burrs. The file may be used to remove protrusions on the surface of the milling machine table. Care must be exercised when filing to remove only the protrusions. The use of a shop towel will facilitate the removal of surface dirt from the milling machine table. The vise, too, must be clean and free of dirt, nicks, and burrs. The file may be used to remove burrs from the milling machine vise. Care must be exercised when filing to remove only the protrusions. Surface dirt may be removed by the use of the shop towel. Carefully slide the vise onto the milling machine table. Align the bolt brackets centrally over the T-slot in the milling machine table. Place the hold-down bolts in position. Assemble both hold-down bolts, but only tighten one of the bolts at this time. The vise will be pivoted on the tightened bolt. Assemble the appropriate attachment to the universal dial indicator. Mount the indicator assembly in the milling machine bracket. Tighten the thumb screw to secure the indicator assembly. Position the indicator on the end of the vise jaw nearest the tightened down bolt. Position the saddle to zero the indicator and provide movement in a plus or minus direction. Traverse the table to the opposite end of the vise jaw, noting the run out on the indicator. The error shown is 0.010 of an inch. Approximate the true length of the lever arm described by the distance from the indicator to the center of the hold-down bolt that is tightened. Develop a ratio between the lever arm and the distance from the hold-down bolt to the nearest edge of the vise jaw. The ratio in this case is 3:1. The error shown on the indicator is 0.010 of an inch. The ratio of movement is 3:1. The error plus the ratio of error is the total correction needed. In this instance, the total corrective movement is 0.13 of an inch. The soft-faced hammer will be used to pivot the vise around the tightened hold-down bolt. A decision on which way to pivot the vise must be made at this time. If the error is plus, the vise jaw must be pivoted away from the indicator. If the error is minus, the jaw must be pivoted towards the indicator. Perform the correction necessary by tapping the vise with a soft-faced hammer. Traverse the table to the opposite end of the vise jaw and note the error. The acceptable error for this demonstration is plus or minus 1/1000th of an inch. When the tolerance has been met, tighten the loose hold-down bolt. Traverse the table for a final check to be sure that nothing has moved during the tightening of the hold-down bolt. Traverse the table to clear the indicator and remove the indicator from the bracket. This completes the procedure necessary to attach and align a vise to a milling machine table using a dial indicator.